Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this video. This is British Bullion and Bars. This is my second unboxing video. Boom! First time looking at this coin. This is Robin Hood 1 ounce fine silver Myths and Legends coin. Issued by the Perth Mint. This is a slightly rarer coin than one I've had before. The glare on the video is quite terrible, to be fair. Sorry about that. There she is. Extremely reflective silver. Year 2021. Beautiful, beautiful coin. Her Majesty. £2 it's worth, interestingly. Just slightly different. And yeah. Robin Hood 2021 Myths and Legends. Short videos. Something different. Thanks for watching.